Hello teachers and welcome to our next Math Fix. Got some great feedback from y'all about how you're using it in your classrooms. Looking forward to seeing what you think about this month's latest Math Fix.
Today's Math Fix centers around 8.g.5. Use informal arguments to establish facts about the angle sum and exterior angles of triangles, about the angles created when parallel lines are cut by a transversal, and the angle-angle criterion for similarity of triangles. In this task, which is quite a doozy, we have two lines that are parallel, L1 and L2, and we're asked to then think about what are the fewest number of angle measurements, excluding the interior angles, we would need to calculate all of the interior angles of triangle BCF. And then we're also asked what is the maximum number of angles we could know and still not be able to calculate it. We asked also they support it with their informal arguments just as the standard is asking for. So let's take a look here. For our fewest, we might think, well, if I have two angles, specifically these two angles, we have vertical angles to interior angles of that triangle, and we can use the vertical angle theorem to get the measurements of these two interior angles. And once we know the two interior angles, we can discuss that a triangle has 180, subtract those from that, and get our third angle. Simple enough. Now we want to think about what is the maximum we might have. And I initially said 4, because if we think about it, there's so much information we know about parallel lines and transversals that give us away a lot of the information, and we can use so much of that to get other angles that really, if we have 4, specifically these vertical angles, we won't really be able to get those interior angles. Everything else pretty much gives us any kind of assumption. We'll get one of those interior angles, but we can't quite get another one, which means we can't get the third. So 4 if you count each of these as separate, or just simply 2 if you count that these are vertical angles, and that is all we need.
Thank you very much, teachers. Thank you for taking a look at our Math Fix. Looking forward to hearing from you, so give us a like or a comment down below, and we'll see you again next month.